Hi guys, I am Ninja Flunkout. I know I haven't uploaded videos recently, and basically I don't really have an excuse. I just kind of chilled a bit after summer started. My apologies, but I did review PKSV and Pokemon, and I did in fact I actually wanted to show you guys something before I decided to take a break for like 5 months or whatever, and that's something known as map scripts. In advanced map, the maps in the game will use scripts to help do certain stuff like set flags and make your NPCs move around the place and trigger level scripts, and that's what I want to show you guys today. So the reason why I'm out here is because I want you guys to take note of this person, okay? This person that's walking around. Note his location and note what he says. Alright, so technology is incredible. You can store your Pokemon in PC, blah 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 blah. Okay, so when you go in here, he's still outside, correct? He's still walking, and it's still the same person. He still says the same thing. Okay, so alright, so when you go into your room, you notice that there is a clone of you, and when you talk to him, he says set. This is something I wrote. So when you go down, your mom will come up to you, say hi child, and then go back to her seat. And then that is one type of level script that I want to show you guys today. That's known as the Playback Script, and as you can see, that event doesn't trigger after I try to enter the map. It only triggers after I talk to this person. So that probably tells you that that person also sets a kind of var flag, and when you exit the map, it also triggers another event. You see this ugly gray brown thing right next to your house, and if you talk to him, you can see that that is the person that was waltzing around over here. You can see that he's gone now, or at least not in this location. That person warped over here and turned into this thing, which I'll explain in a sec. So both of these events occurring is the use of two different map scripts. The one that triggered in this map, as I already told you, is playback, and the one that triggers outside here is the use of a map script that transfers the NPCs to different locations and modifies their behavior. So that's what I want to tell you guys about today. So let's just... Alright, so conveniently, I've already have advanced map opened. This is Pallet Town's map. I actually want to explain the playback script first. So if you go into your header tab right here, and then you move to the map script area, I can't highlight it, I'll highlight this. This is where all of the map scripts are. You can have more than one map script. Just click add, and you can remove them too. Click remove. Defaultly the script number will be 0, and then it'll keep going up. Okay, you guys probably already know that. Anyways, so the ones I'm going to explain today are number 2 and number 3. Oh crud, hold on. You don't want to do that. Give me a sec. I accidentally changed the type of script. Okay, so I want to explain number 2 first. Number 2, also known as the vandalates values, loads handler to offset number 03000 EV0, I think, or conveniently called the playback, is just a level script that triggers when you enter the map. Now, this level script is like a normal level script that you write, or I used to call them the green script box. Where is it? Did I change the value? Okay, there it is. Oh, there's the other ones hidden. Okay, so level script is just like the script you write for these. The only difference is that they trigger upon entering the map. so you don't have to create a level script event for this. And I should also note that if you have more than one playback script for one map, your game won't know which playback script to trigger, so that will cause it to crash. So if you want different cutscenes to occur when you enter the map, you're gonna have to write a really long level script. Maybe preferably one that has like different check var values. So if you open this one, this is one I wrote. Say I wanted to have another event occur, so then I can have something like maybe this would be one event, and then you can also have something, so like for example, like if okay, check flag 0xAABB or whatever, if true, jump to second event, and then you can have another one, BC, if true, jump to third event, and then you can continue on, and then maybe this paragraph here is the first event, this is the second event, and then you have the third event, and then you can keep going on and on all the way to like the, I don't know, the 9 millionth event or whatever, if you really want that many events in one map. So yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is don't make more than one level script in one map. It won't work. I tried it, trust me. So okay, now that we got that out of the way, so I don't know if this will happen with you guys or not, or if it's just my ROM or just me or my computer or whatever. Flag or var values of anything that's not in the 4000s, like 400 something, will not work or will cause errors. I tried the value 9055 before I recorded, and what that did was when I enter the map, the script will trigger once and then trigger again and again and again and again and again until I closed VBA. So I recommend you guys use values in the 4000s. I looked around some of the map scripts and the game actually uses. All of them are vars that are in the 4000s, so then I was all like, huh, maybe 4000s are like the only ones that work. At first I used the values the game used, but then that caused errors with the game, like Oak would always stop you at the grass patch. Where am I? So like after I play around with the game, Oak always stopped me, no matter, even after I got my Pokemon, he still stopped me, so I thought that was pretty annoying. So I used my own var value in the 4000s. I don't know if the game actually uses this, but this is what I use and it works, so you guys can use this too. For the value, I set it to 1, and that's for personal preferences. You guys can use 0, but I don't like using 0 because a level script with a flag number and then a value of 0 will tell the game that, oh, that means it will trigger no matter what happens. So like if you don't have a flag set or if you don't have a var set, the script will still trigger. That's what a value of 0 means. But if you have a value of 1, then it tells the game, oh, we can't trigger this script because it's not a value of, because the value is not, then the flag wouldn't be set. So I guess what I'm trying to say is a flag with the value of 0 is already set because there's no value. So you want to give it a value. The reason why you want to give it a value is that when you enter the map, if the map script has no value, then it will always trigger. So I guess I can show you guys. I don't know if this will break the game in any way. Give me a sec. Alright. Oh crap, I shouldn't have closed it. Whatever. Okay, so I believe yeah, so see? So you see, because I was already in the map, the script triggered. So then if you exit, it will trigger. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Oh, okay. So basically, when you enter the map, it'll trigger, and then it never triggers again. That's weird. When I did it, okay, whatever. Okay, so I guess you can use 0. I don't know why. When I did it, it continuously triggered. So whatever. Okay, so you can use 0. Never mind. I guess I'll kind of delete what I just said. Okay, so let's write a script, because you know that's what's fun about this. Anyways, you guys just came here for the scripts, right? So I will okay, so oh, whatever, I'll just use it. So delete. Okay. Main, because this is a level script, you use lockall, and since you're not interacting with anyone, you don't need a face player. The script I want is basically the player giving off a happy face when he descends the stairs, and then he's all like, "Oh, I'm so happy," and then his mom's all like, "I don't care," and then he's all like, "Aw," and then he has an X mark on his head. So at happy face, message at I'm so happy. Oh, there's something I do want to tell you guys. If you didn't know already, you can change the color of the text if you're sick of that black color all the time. You can change it to red or change it to gray. I'm gonna use red because I think red is cool. You don't have to add this though. It's just something that I wanted to do. So normal, and then text color gray, message at I don't care, apply movement player at X face, and then you release. Oh wait, before you release all, you have to change the value of the current flag, and so I'll use advar. I'll explain this in a sec, just let me finish typing it. So 4888 X1. Okay, so the reason why I added this line is because this is a playback script, every time if the flag is set, so if the flag is set with a certain value, then the script will trigger, correct? And since this is a playback script, which will trigger as long as the certain requirements are fulfilled and you're in the map, if you write the script without this line, you might think initially you won't encounter any errors, but then after the script is over, it'll happen again and again and again. The reason is because after the script is over, the game will check the value, because you're still in the map, to see if this flag and this value is set, and since it is, because you didn't change it, the game will think, oh, this flag and this value is set, that means I have to trigger the script again, and it will basically continue to do that until the value changes. But the problem is, once you enter the map, the playback script will play, and then because the value is never changed within the playback script, the game will continuously think that you have to play the script because the flag and the value is always set. So to prevent this error, you want to basically change the value of the flag, this flag right here. So the command I'm using is advar. Basically what this does is it'll add the value to a certain flag by the second number. So your first number is the flag number, your second number is the change in value. So advar will add a value of 1 in this case to my current value. So my current value is 0. So after this line, it will be 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1. There is also another line you guys probably have guessed that does the opposite, which is subtract var. You guys can use this line too, but the problem is since my value is 0, doing this line will make my value become a negative number, and I don't like negative numbers, and I don't think the game likes negative numbers. It will probably crash or whatever if it has a negative value. I actually haven't tested this. You guys can tell me if you guys can try it out and tell me if it crashes the game or not. But I want to stick it safe since I'm recording and just use a add var. So this is my script. Let me just at happy face say how did it go? Like this, I think. Give me a sec, I don't remember. I'm gonna cheat because cheating is awesome. Yeah, okay. At what is that? I'm so happy. So remember that this right here is the variable which is basically the name of your player. So it's like, I'm so happy, I want to shout, yay. Okay, and then your mom is all like, oops, shut up, if you don't, I will hurt you or kill you, whatever you want to write. I will kill you. And then you're all like, aw, mom, why you gotta be so cruel? And you go say, or I think it's this X, compile. Let me make sure I did it right. Okay, so I think that's right. Okay, so let's copy this. Let me save this script first. Sure, I'll save it in here. Playback script. Okay. So let's put that. Look good. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, so let's save. And I need to open desktop. I need to open my Pokemon again since I closed the tab. Okay, let me minimize it this time. Okay, so that happened because we were already in the map, and as you guys remember, a value was 0 means that the script can trigger no matter what. So so that was essentially our script. I would like to change it though. I don't like how this keeps occurring, so I want to change it. So let me close this. Alright, so now this will correspond with so now when you go up here and talk to him, if you guys didn't know, I think I forgot to show you guys the person up here. All I really want him to do is set the var for 0x4888 0x1. That's all I want him to do, and that's essentially the reason why my level script works, because the var is set. So when you go down, I'm so happy, I want to shout, yay. Shut up, if you don't, I'll kill you. Aww, my mom's so mean. And then the reason why the person's not here is because in our new level script I didn't add a set flag ABC. So if you go in the map and then you say talk to him, then it triggers again, and then you can trigger it as many times as you want. Yay! Yay! Okay, that's enough. Okay, so that's Playback Script. Yeah, let's move on.